This is the brief on transforming rotator cuff surgery using biological augmentation. Okay, so fixing rotator cuff tears, it's tough. Re-tear rates can be pretty high, especially for bigger tears. That's why there's a big push for adding things to help, like bioinductive collagen implants, or BCIs. Think patches like Regeneten and BioBrace. First up, let's talk numbers. These BCIs, like the Regeneten patch, they seriously cut down on structural failures. One big study showed for medium to large tears, adding a BCI dropped the re-tear rate from like 35% way down to about 12%. But here's the interesting part. Even though the BCI group healed better structurally, both groups felt similarly better function-wise according to standard scores. So the patch heals the tissue better, but patients often feel improved either way. Second, there's the BioBrace implant. Now this one's kind of cool because it does two things. It's a scaffold that gives immediate mechanical support, helps right away, and it encourages the body to heal itself, building new tissue. That's a huge deal for tricky surgeries or when the tissue quality isn't great to start with. Finally, what are the trade-offs? Well, while these patches help healing structurally, we've seen maybe a bit more stiffness with BCIs in some partial tear cases. But from a bigger picture view, because people tend to heal better and get back to work faster, these BCIs often end up being pretty cost-effective, especially for those larger tears. So yeah, these biological patches are definitely changing how well tendons heal structurally, but we still need more solid research to figure out exactly when to use them and how to avoid potential issues.